Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
In Surah Fatih 35 and Ayah 43, Nistikbaran fil ardi wa makra sayyi wa la yahiqul makru sayyi illa bi ahli فهل ينظرون إلا سنة الأولين فلن تجد لسنة الله تبديلا ولن تجد لسنة الله تحويلا. Seeking greatness in the earth and evil planning, and the evil planning does not surround except with his family, then what they observe is nothing except the sunnah, the practice of the earlier people, that they do not believe with it. Then you will never find the sunnah, the practice of Allah to change, and you will never find for the sunnah or the practice of Allah to transform. Now Allah is describing again the sunnah or the practice of the people seeking greatness in the earth. People want to become great in the earth. Big, great. Nistikba, takabbur. Seeking greatness, people are seeking to become great. Seeking greatness in the earth, that people should think I'm great, big, great. Seeking greatness in the earth and evil planning. This is going on. People are looking for this. People want to become great. Not in the eyes of Allah, in their own selves or in the selves of mankind maybe. Seeking greatness in the earth in the evil planning. And the evil planning does not surround except his own family, his family. So now in the world, you will note this kind of people. You can see this is the practice of the people in the world today, you can see. And it has been the past also. Same, this would be Sunnatullah because Allah has written down before. And what they observe is nothing except the sunnah, the practice of the earlier people, that they don't believe with it. Seeking greatness is the sunnah of the people of today. Seeking greatness and evil planning. Bad planning, corrupt planning, and the evil planning does not surround except his own family. Allah says that whatever he's planning evil is against his own family is surrounded. He surrounds his own family to it. What they are seeking is basically they are seeking observing the planning of observing the sunnah of the practice of the people in the past that pass away, who did not believe. Who did not believe. Knowingly we are doing it. Knowingly. We are reading it, we are understanding, and we are behaving in the same manner, seeking greatness in the earth. See, we are doing evil planning. So this is being done by the past people, and we are doing it, and we are observing that kind of behavior in the world. We are looking for this kind of people. Where is this sunnah? Where is this kind of people who are doing this? So we become a party to it. Seeking greatness in the earth and evil planning. And the evil planning does not surround except with his own family. Then what they observe is nothing except the sunnah, the practice of the early people. Then you will never find the sunnah, the practice of Allah to change, and you will not find the sunnah, the practice of Allah to transform. So Allah, in the end, Allah is writing this sunnah, the whole, that what He has written down in the world about the people, this is the sunnah of Allah, the practice of Allah, that people are doing this in the world and they will do it. That is the sunnah of Allah, it will not change. That what is written down, you will find people such, they are behaving in the same manner. That is the sunnah of Allah. And Allah's, the word in Arabic, you look in this word, last two. فَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَحْوِيلًا. Change, the sunnah of Allah, practice of Allah does not change. The practice of Allah of Allah does not transform. Its shape is not transformed into any other thing. Neither is exchange, neither it is transformed. This is the practice of Allah. What is the practice of Allah? That people in this world are seeking greatness and they are doing evil planning. That Allah is telling us, informing us. And their evil planning does not surround except his own family. He puts in his own family into problem. Then what they observe in the world is nothing except the sunnah, the practice of the earlier people. And that earlier people, sunnah practice, they did not believe. Sunnatul awwaleen. They did not believe. We have looked into the previous ayat, they don't believe. And this whole aspect is the sunnatullah, that Allah says, فَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَحْوِيلًا. And you will never find the sunnah, the practice of Allah, to change, and you will never find for the sunnah, the practice of Allah, to transform. Its shape is not changed, it is not exchange also, it is not changed. Whatever meaning, what is it? The practice, what Allah has said it. And whatever Allah is talking about other people, it is the practice of Allah. Whatever Allah says about people, it is the practice of Allah. Whatever He says about the messenger, it is the practice of Allah, the sunnatullah, in all times.
My question was that how if a person disbelieves or rejects Allah's saying or the whatever is ordained to him by through the prophets, and how the family of that person is suffering,
Sorry?
how that comes to how that reflects the family of that person. If a person rejects, then that rejection, how does it affect the family?
Achha, this ayat you are referring to, sorry. Okay, so 1 minute, hold on. Okay.
I'm just asking.
Okay, I understand now. I just opened this ayat and Nistikbaran fil Surah Fatih 35 ayah 43 and page 15. Nistikbaran fil ardi wa makra sayyi wa la yahiqul makru sayyu illa bi ahli.
Illa bi ahlihi.
You see, because this ahl is not literally defined in Arabic. Ahl is people. It doesn't refer to his family. We use the word family. Hello?
Yeah.
We use ahl means in Arabic family.
I see.
Okay. But in the literally ya ahl al kitab, family of the book, we will say people of the book. So in Arabic, ahl does not specifically mean personal family.
I see.
You understand what I'm saying? It doesn't. People surrounding his surrounding, to him is surrounded by the people. I've got my surrounding of the people.
His tribe.
His tribe, his associates, his khandan, his family. You know, all the people that surrounds him, he will affect him. He will affect those people,
I see.
his own people. Not necessarily his personal people. They may be included. We are not excluding them.
I see.
We are not excluding them. They are included.
I see.
But it is a more, in Arabic, ahl does not literally means only family. It means people around him, like Ahl al-Kitab, the family of the book, al-Kitab. It doesn't mean to some relative term. So ahl in Arabic includes the people, it includes his surrounding people, and it includes his personal family.
I see.
Right?
Thank you.
Not only person. I understand why you asked this question.
They are
Okay, thank you.